Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app and go for your profile. Click on in this three-line option, go for settings and privacy. So if you are a iPhone user, then you can see a display option here in this content and display section. You can see here a display option. But if you are a Android user like me, so you can't see a display option here. So for this, you need to go for report a problem. Okay, wait for a second. After that, go for account and profile. Wait for a second. Now go for profile page, go for other. So it's loading. Now go for need more help. Okay. After that, you have to uh, type your problem here. So you can add a screenshot of your account. After that, you have to just click on submit. So guys, this is how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.